Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion pages, organize notes and projects step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Notion website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be presented with options to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, check your email for a verification link sent by Notion. Open the email and click on the verification link. This action will redirect you back to the Notion login page. If you sign up using Google or Apple, select the appropriate option instead. Enter your password if prompted, then click the Login button. Once logged in, you will see your Notion dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and main features. To start organizing your notes and projects, create a new page by selecting the New Page option. Name your new page to reflect its content. You can choose from templates or start with a blank page. Use the toolbar on the left to add text, images, and other elements to your page. Organize your content by using headings and bullet points as needed. For projects, consider creating separate pages for each one to keep things structured. Utilize the sidebar to navigate between different pages and sections easily. Take advantage of tags and links to connect related notes or projects. Regularly revisit and update your pages to maintain organization. Remember to save changes to ensure nothing is lost. With these steps, you can effectively log into Notion and organize your notes and projects with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.